Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the left and we have like this. So because this is equal to number 0, so we just find only complementary solution. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first derivative of yc. We have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So first derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first derivative of lambda s, you got lambda. Now we go to second derivative of yc and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Now we have this equation. So I will put this one go in here. This one go in here. And this one go in here. Now we can do about factorization by e to the power of lambda s. Next, we need to find the solution of this one. So if we find this, the solution, we will have about lambda equals to number 1 and lambda equals to negative number 3. And now we have y equals to yc equals to c number 1, that is about the constant number 1 e to the power of lambda s. Now we need to change lambda into number 1 going here. And now we just have e to the power of s. And now we have c number 2 e to the power of negative 3s. Next, we have the condition. That means when s equal to number 0, y equal to number e to the power of 3. So I will put number 0 going here, number 0 going here. And e to the power of 0, we have number 1. And now we have first equation. So the next one, when s equals to number 1, y equals to number 1. So I will put number 1 going here, number 1 going here. So we have c1e plus c2e to the power of negative number 3 equals to number 1. And now we have the system of equations. So we can find about the solution c number 1 and c number 2. So c number 1 equals to number 0. C number 2, that's about e to the power of number 3. So we put c1, c2 going here. So because this one you got number 0, so this one equals to number 0. And c number 2, that's about e to the power of number 3. And here is the final answer. So this one we can write like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.